Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, so today we're making ramen, and I don't mean ramen soup, but what I need you to do is get any flavor. We're not using the flavor packets. Okay, but we are going to throw that in boiling water that I have right there. Throw your flavor packet away. We're not using it. Going in for that second ramen. Okay. Follow the directions on your package on how to boil those noodles. Okay. Brushing my stove off. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is start with some soy sauce. Put quite a bit in there. Oh, that is plenty good, plenty good. Then I'm going to go in there with, what is that? 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Along with, depends on how spicy you like things, I'm going to go in with some red pepper flake. Now, it sounds crazy to have something so hot something hot or spicy on a hot day. What do you think about that? Would you eat something spicy on a hot day? All right, so now what I want you to do is go ahead, warm this up, okay? While your noodles are cooking, we're going to just give this couple stirs so it's nice and heated. Okay, this is warmed up. My noodles are done. If you've added too much water to your noodles, no problem. You just drain your noodles. Okay, now you want to get that soy sauce and that mixture all mixed up with your noodles. Okay, that is all mixed together. Now, I am going to go in with 2 eggs. My pan, I'm letting my pan get reheated. Oh, you can see right here. Oh, geez. Hold on. That was the wrong burner. I mean, my burner is hot, but I just want to turn it on. See, it's starting to get... Okay. So now, I want to just start mixing the noodles with the egg that is cooking on the side here. Now we need to get the egg cooked in. Yeah, that's looking good. We need to get it cooked in with the noodle. That's our job right now. Do it like it's your job. Okay, got my eggs done. Now I just threw 2 pats of margarine in there. And we're going to get that melted. Do you think I boiled my noodles too much? But I mean that anyway. Okay, that is melted in there now. Now what we're going to do is hit it with some green onion and some everything bagel. Oh, geez. You guys, look at that. That looks pretty darn good to me. Okay, now I want to taste it, of course. Okay. I'm going to push this off of the burner because it still keeps cooking. I have an electric stove. Oh, I just think that looks awesome. Now let's see if it passed the taste test. I don't know why I didn't make this a long time ago. That butter actually puts a really nice touch to all the other flavors. I like this one. Friends, you please try this one. You're going to like it. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos like this, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.